I'm about to change the oil in the old bus. I thought Mitchell would be proud of me. I still have his shirt. It is from officially how many years ago? A lot. 15 years ago. The old bus needs an oil change. I don't know when the last time it was done. Really, and oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Not only that, but this is an air-cooled engine, so oil is super important. Oil is the cooling too. Doesn't look that terrible, but it doesn't look that good either. About time for a change. 21mm socket seems to be the right one. Loosen it up a little bit. Pan goes under. Here comes the yuck. Of course, it's not gonna just come off without a struggle. Nice big oil drain pan. Yum. There it comes. While we're waiting for the oil to continue dripping out, to get the last bit out, check the batteries. So I replaced this battery here with a known good used battery. Check the voltage here. One-handed is difficult. .27 is good. That's on the house battery. And on the starter battery, which is labeled battery 1, I also have 12.48. It's all good. And I loosened up the oil filter. It was on way too tight. Here comes this gush of oil. Yuck! Screw faster! Yuck! So oil is being added. I put in 3 quarts so far. New filter installed. Hand tight as recommended. And let's see, after 3, sorry Mitchell shirt, after 3 quarts, let's see if we even show on the dipstick. Just barely. Needs at least another quart or 2. Oil wise, it now looks like, you see the reflection in there. It's just above the line. I'll probably give it another half a quart. That's pretty good. Now starting it up, the oil pressure should come up, so the oil light should go off after about 10 seconds. There it goes. Just going to loosen up from the vibration. This alternator connection, as I saw in the video, was jiggling. I realized, and these wires were kind of coming loose. And it's only attached up there by a flimsy screw and then some shitty tape that's fallen off up here. So Looks like I'll fix that too. So now I shrank down this terminal insulation there. That looks a lot better. I'm going to do the one on the top of the alternator as well. Check on the oil filter that nothing's dripping, leaking.